Granite could be your ticket to saving money and improving productivity. Elbow control in NIKKEN continue to differentiate within the market, using a ground granite base and column to provide thermal reliability, dimensional stability, hardness, and wear resistance, as this natural granite construction provides optimum measuring reliability, along with no oxidation, for longer life and zero maintenance. Ultimately, this material, when combined with elbow control in NIKKEN mechanical, optical, and software elements, provides greater rigidity, accuracy, and reproducibility to negate operator error whilst improving measurement confidence and overall quality. The E460A takes everything you love about our popular E346 Plus model and makes it even better. With increased X and Z travel and advanced autofocus software, tools are measured automatically, no manual input needed. Our patented automatic spindle rotation with pneumatic motion ensures smooth, precise and fast performance. Simply load the tool into the interchangeable spindle, align it with the camera system and tap Measure on the touchscreen.